In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new improved model in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on the setting that lets Grok learn from your usage and deliver smarter, more relevant results over time, all while keeping control over your data preferences. First, open your Grok account by signing in the way you normally do. Give the page a moment to load so the main dashboard appears. This is your home base, and everything you need is just a click or two away. Next, look for the icon that opens your account or app options. Depending on your interface, this might appear as a small profile image, a gear-shaped settings icon, or a menu button in the top corner. Click that icon to reveal the menu. You're not changing anything yet, just opening the doorway to the controls that matter. From that menu, click Data Controls. This is the section where Grok centralizes your privacy and usage preferences. You'll typically see a short description next to each setting to help you understand what it does. Take a second to read the brief text around the controls. It's designed to be clear and helpful so you can make an informed choice. Now, find the option labeled Improve the Model. This toggle is what enables Grok to use your interactions to refine its capabilities. When you turn it on, you're allowing the system to learn from your usage so it can better understand context, reduce repetition, and improve the quality of responses over time. Click the toggle to switch it on. You should see a clear visual confirmation, like the toggle changing color or position, indicating it's enabled. That's all you need to do. Most interfaces save this preference immediately, so there's nothing extra to confirm. If you ever want to review or adjust this setting later, you'll return to the same Data Controls area to check its status. If the option doesn't appear, it may be because of your region, version, or organization policies, in which case it won't be available in your menu. A quick tip before we wrap up: when Improve the Model is on, your overall experience should feel more helpful over time. Look for signs like responses that better match your style, fewer clarifying prompts, and more precise follow-ups. If you're testing changes, give it a little time. Improvements tend to be gradual but noticeable. And that's it. You've opened your Grok account, clicked the icon to access your options, navigated to Data Controls, and toggled on Improve the Model. You're now set up to benefit from Grok's new, smarter behavior while staying in control of your preferences.